Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the time zone on the Google Sheets. So if you are, for example, moving to another city or country and you want to set the time zone using your current country that you are living in, you can just follow the steps right here to change the time zone. You can just open any file on the Google Sheets, and then you can go to file in here and find settings. You can scroll down and tap on settings in here, and you'll see under the general tab there will be this time zone. So if you want to change it, you can just click on this drop down and then choose the time zone that you want. For example, in here, I'm going to just go with, sorry, this one, for example. You can click on the time zone and then tap on save and reload. Okay, so just like that, now after it's reloading, the time zone will be changed. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.